Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so we're gonna do this video on Audis. If you guys have an A1, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, Q3, Q5, Q7, you guys have a frozen screen or a glitchy issue with your LCD screen, your radio has some issues, and you guys want to do a reboot of the system. I'm gonna give you guys an easy way to reboot the system, force a reboot on the system so everything will reset back to factory settings, or reset the system so that it works correctly again. So you guys looking at the picture right now that I have up, this is what you guys do. All right, as far as your navigation screen is concerned, a lot of times it freezes. It might stop responding to any kind of a touchscreen. Might have some touchscreen issue. So what you gotta do is essentially you would have to press the same time. You would have to press all these three buttons at the same time: the setup button, the center knob, and the upper right soft key. Those are the three buttons that you need to push. If you guys see the arrows on these buttons, just push those three buttons at the same time and then release them, and you get a reboot of the system. And that's pretty much it. The simple as that. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Hope this has helped you guys out. All right, guys, take care.